To create moving wallpapers on Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you will need to open your Galaxy store. So just look for it and then right here click on the loop icon and find the app called Good Luck actually, sorry. Then install this app. When it's installed, open it, and then inside we also need to download one additional plugin. You can look for a Wonderland. It should be somewhere below right here. You can click on the download button, which is somewhere around here, and then download it. I already have it. Just to save some time, click on the Wonderland and then go to create your own moving wallpaper. You can pick one of the options from the presets right here, or you can create your own with a new button. Then select the gallery, for example, and pick a photo that you want to use for that moving wallpaper. Then you can go to image settings and enable motion effects and adjust the motion effects like this. After we preview it, as you can see, the wallpaper will be moving. We can also add additional options like, for example, the effect like this burning eyes. Then we can see that it's still moving and finally save it. After it's saved, we can set it as wallpaper for our home screen, and then as you can see, my wallpaper is moving. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.